All right, what's good? What's good, y'all? It's your boy Phil from Transformation Auto Sales, back with another video. So in this video right here, y'all, before we even get started, man, it's so many people that watch my channel and are not subscribed, man. I get more, which I'm sure this is normal on our channels, man, but I'm a smaller channel trying to make it, you know what I'm saying? So the people that's watching, I definitely appreciate y'all for watching. I appreciate all the likes, I appreciate all the shares, I appreciate all the comments, everything, man. But I need everybody right now, if you're not already subscribed, to go subscribe to the channel, man, because we're trying to get 500 subscribers first, and then 3,000 watch hours, which is the first threshold, and then we need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours to actually be able to get somewhere. All right, so hey, that's what I ask that y'all go do right now. Subscribe to the channel. I think we got like 70 subscribers now, which isn't bad considering that I only been going hard, man, like the last probably 3 weeks, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to continue to go hard. I'm going to keep trying to find stuff to bring to y'all. So hey, that's all I ask. But hey, in this video right here, I'm showing y'all another part that came in for my motor for this 2004 Silverado. If you don't know, this is the 2004 Silverado right here. We are gonna get the motor and stuff rebuilt in it, I think. But I have had a few people tell me that I might not even need to rebuild a motor. So let me turn the camera sideways like it's supposed to be so that y'all can look at it better. But hey, so this right here just came in, and if you can see from the box, it is Speed Engineering. So my mechanic, I basically told him, hey, I want to rebuild a motor. I want a little bit of oomph in it, you know what I'm saying? I want a little sound, I want a little kick, what I need to do. So this was one of the parts that he recommended that I order. He basically just sent me the links and was like, hey, get this, this, and this, bring that to me. When you get it back, you're gonna be ready to go. So I showed y'all in the other video, we had the Brian Tooley Racing parts, basically the rebuild kit, the gaskets, the cam and lifter set. All that was what I showed y'all in the previous video. But right here we do have the Speed Engineering. Can y'all tell from the box what it is? I'm gonna give y'all a second to look. Y'all look at the box. It's a long box. Speed Engineering. Some of y'all probably already know because y'all been ordering parts from here. But hey, we're gonna open up this box and see what it is. All right, so let me get my blade right here real quick. Do this with one hand, man. I need to get me like a little stand or the little thing, you know, the little harness stand that you can put on your body like a vest and plug your, you know what I'm talking about, do your little phone like that. I need to invest into some of that stuff. I think if I really get serious about videos like I plan on doing, I'm gonna get that little the little popular camera that everybody got anyway. I just don't want to drop $700 on it. But I mean, you gotta invest in your future, right? So I probably will look into investing in it. Maybe once we hit 500 subscribers, I'll go buy that camera. How about that? Just so I can see that y'all serious and y'all really rock with me. But I'm gonna try to open this box one hand if I can. This box is strong though, y'all. I might not be able to do it. All right, y'all hang tight. Hang tight, y'all. I am here. I don't want to pause it because I don't know whether I'm supposed to pause it or stop the video. I ain't learned that much yet. Y'all let me know whenever you transitioning from one thing to the next thing. Are you supposed to hit the pause button on your camera, or are you supposed to hit the stop button and then pick up with a new video and then edit it into the other video? Somebody let me know that. I'm gonna repeat it. So when you're doing a video and you want to pause it, like let's say I'm going from one location to another location, so in the midst of me trying to get from one location to the other location, do I pause the video and then when I get to the other location hit resume, or do I hit stop on the video, record a new video, and then go into video creator and combine them together? That's a good question, right? They said if you don't know, you ask and people can give you answers. So that's my question for y'all, and I want somebody to help me out if they can. But hey, we got this box open right here, and this here is what we have, y'all. So we got the Speed Engineering headers, man, for the truck. So I'm sure this is the bolts right here, more than likely. Then you got the little gaskets right there. You got the stickers right here, Speed Engineering. And see right there, y'all? So this is what is in, oh shoot, put my address on there. Y'all don't come hunt me down, man. Do not come hunt me down. So yeah, there go the headers. It comes with the stainless steel header bolts, which I had to pay up for those. And it comes with the manifold gasket, steel gaskets. I had to pay up for those too. So yeah, here's the actual headers right here. Here's the gaskets right there. Let me take this out, just a little product disclaimer right there. And man, look at these right here, y'all. Oh my gosh, they look good, don't they? They look good, don't they? Oh my. So yeah, that's the actual headers right there, man. Just so y'all can see. So yeah, we putting these right here on the 2004 Silverado. There's one right there. Then I'm gonna take the other one out right here. Man, when we put these things on here, this mud here finna be breathing, you hear me? You talking about straight breathing. So yeah, here's the other one right here. One right there. Move this plastic to the side. Then we got the other one right here. Put that one right there. So bam. That's what we got in the box right there, y'all. So yeah, we're gonna put these headers on there. I already got exhaust on this truck, right? So check this out. I got these exhausts done a long time ago. So I got flow masters already on the truck. The pipes just need to be cleaned up. So yeah, once I put the headers on the motor, then all I had to do is run up to the pipe shop, get them to weld, you know, weld the pipes into what I already got. And then we ought to have some great sound, man, especially kicking with that nice little cam I got coming. Well, already here, but I got coming in to be put in the truck. You know what I'm saying? So, man, y'all drop in the comment section below. What else am I missing? Like, what else do I need to put in this truck to make it do what it do, you know? I got the rebuild kit. I got the Speed Engineering headers right here. Like, let me know. I think I want to go cold air intake on here, but I'm not for sure. Some people say cold air intake is better. Some people say cold air intake don't do nothing but put dirt into your motor. So y'all let me know if you think I ought to do the cold air intake, and what other parts could I put on the motor that'll give it some more horsepower. Y'all let me know, man. So I think that's all we got on this video. Like I said, I do appreciate everybody that is subscribed. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to my channel, man. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let me know too in the comment section, like, what other videos y'all want to see. Like, I got ideas, and I have been dropping little things here and there, like my own little personal projects that I'm doing, because I got a lot of stuff that I'm working on. But I'm thinking about doing some other stuff too, like maybe going and videoing other people's projects. Maybe going to like different car lots of people that I know, videoing some car review type stuff. Let me know if y'all would be interested in that kind of stuff, because if you're interested, I'm willing to go do it. You know what I'm saying? I just have to hit up a couple of people, see if they're willing to work with me, and we can definitely bring it to the channel, man. So hey, like I said, I think that's all on this video. Again, man, y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this, man. And it's your boy Phil from Transformation Auto Sales, and I'm out, man. Let's get it. Let's go.